The Honeywell Cool Moisture Humidifier provides 99.9% germ-free moisture for dry air relief. Designed for medium-sized rooms, this humidifier helps relieve dry air discomforts like dry throat, chapped lips, and static shock. With this unique humidifier, water passes through a UV system that kills up to 99.9% of bacteria, mold, fungus, and virus in the unit's water before being released into the air. 3 fan speeds control moisture output, and the Quiet Care technology makes it ideal for use in a bedroom. For germ-free, temporary relief from dry air discomfort, try the Honeywell Cool Moisture Humidifier. For more information or to purchase accessories, visit honeywellpluggedin.com.
PureGuardian humidifiers guard against problems caused by dry air, providing soothing relief for those with cold, flu, allergies, and dry skin. The PureGuardian 10-hour humidifier uses ultrasonic technology to deliver a fine, ultra-quick mist. Unlike other humidifiers, PureGuardian uses silver clean technology to fight the growth of mold and mildew on the surface of the water tank. Small and compact, it's perfect for travel, the office, a child's room, nursery, or bedside. Variable cool mist settings and an adjustable spout make optimizing your comfort easy. Quiet operation and an on-off nightlight ensures a restful night's sleep, while a 10-hour runtime means no refills throughout the night. An easy-to-use, one-button operation is a snap. The unit automatically shuts off if the water level is too low and features an easily removable tank for quick refills. PureGuardian, creating a better home environment.